Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bnsx token, which is short for Bitcoin Name Service System. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, December 29th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the Bnsx token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the first BRC 20 token incorporating a powerful burn mechanism, Bnsx, the Bitcoin Name Service System. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, December 29th at 7 o'clock UTC time. This token got listed on Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Coinex Global account, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Bnsx, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So you're going to put their Twitter up right here. You can find it at the Bnsx, blue verified checkmark, over 10,300 Twitter followers, 91 tweets, and they have a link to their webpage right there, bnsx.org. If you go over there, you can find a full document section. It'll take you to docs.bnsx.org, and that's where you're going to find all of the info on this token. So, the Bitcoin Name Service System addresses the growing need for decentralized identity solutions and short domain services within the Web3 and Bitcoin ecosystems. Now, the token overview, it's a BRC20 token with a total supply of 21 million tokens. The minting mechanism is fair mint with a maximum of 100 tokens per minting event. Now, the functionality, it says identity verification SDKs. Bnsx facilitates xxx.btc domain authentication for SDKs for Web3 and Bitcoin Layer 2's network, establishing a DID system akin to ENS. Secondary domain service. Community members can acquire xxx.bnsx.meme domains, enabling URL redirection and email hosting for their Web2 homepages. So there's token burning and domain acquisition. Upon the launch of the identity system, users can burn tokens to receive unique 3x.bnsx.meme domains corresponding to 3x.btc addresses. The burning amount increases exponentially with shorter domain lengths. For example, registering a 3-character domain requires burning 10,000 tokens, 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. Now, NFTs and token utility. So the acquired NFTs for domain reservations are perpetual and can be traded. Token burning and NFT transactions contribute to the overall economic activity of the Bnsx ecosystem. There's also annual registration fees. So Bnsx introduces an annual registration fee for active DIDs. A portion of the fee is allocated to token buybacks and burning, until the total circulation reaches 10.5 million tokens. Now they have the identity system. So there's token burning and domain reservation. Users can burn Bnsx tokens to receive short domains, enhancing security and preventing misuse. Also, NFT validity. So NFTs acquired during domain registration are perpetual and support secondary market transactions. And there's also annual registration fees. So a recurring fee similar to Ethereum name service ensures the continued use and integrity of the registered DIDs. A portion of the fee is utilized for token buybacks and burning. Now, it says there's development milestones. So Bnsx outlines a roadmap with key development milestones, partnerships, and community engagement initiatives. There's token utility expansion. So there's plans to expand the utility of Bnsx through the partnerships and integrations with other blockchain projects. Now, the Bnsx project aims to revolutionize decentralized identity solutions on Bitcoin Layer 2's network with an innovative economic model, NFT support, and user-friendly domain name service, and is set to empower users to enhance the Web3 and Bitcoin ecosystems. Now, the burn mechanisms for domain reservation. So they introduce a burning mechanism that allows holders to seize short domains and Web3 addresses by burning their tokens. The implementation of the burning mechanism is outlined as follows. So it enables users to register short domains. Once burned, these tokens become irretrievable, making the commitment to the registration process. Now, there's going to be transfer Bnsx tokens to designated Bitcoin addresses, token burn confirmations, domain registration requests. So they go over the process summary. So it's an irreversible commitment, and there's transaction hash inclusion. And then there's the burn mechanism and annual domain renewal. So they go over the overview of that. So the implementation includes NFT ownership and annual renewal, burning mechanisms for renewal fees. Then we have transition to community staking and mining, annual fee redistribution to stakeholders, and note that this is perpetual value and community incentives. So the burning mechanism aligns with the sustainability and growth of the ecosystem, ensuring perpetual value for the domain control, NFTs, and fostering community engagement through staking and mining incentives. And this token just got a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange called Coinex Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Coinex Global one where this token just got listed. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.